everyone, welcome back to Ballet Cymru's online tutorials. So today I am taking you through Batterie. So please make sure you've done a form of class before you do this exercise because it is in the jumping section. As per usual, check our disclaimer, make sure you're wearing something appropriate and that you have space to move. Other than that, let's get on with teaching you the exercise. Okay, so we're going to start in fifth position. And we're going to relevate up, squeezing your glute, squeezing your inside thigh so it's nice and stable. 1, 2, 3, changement battu. And again, relevate. 1, 2, plie, changement battu. Cease on over with beats. 1, 2, relevate fifth, again squeezing the inside thighs, making sure it's nice and stable. Plie, 3, changement battus. Then to the left. So it's really simple, just relevate, 2, 3, changement, relevate, 2, 3, changement, si-sun, relevate, beat, beat, beat. That's the exercise. Nice and simple, nice and compact, so that you don't have to travel too much. Just really make sure you're beating from the top of the legs and not from your feet. You don't want your feet to be flappy, you want them to be really strong and helping you with your elevation rather than making clappy sounds. And yeah, use your own arms, use whatever you like to do. If you want to take them up, if you want to keep them small, that's completely whatever you like to do. And yeah, let's have a go with some music. So that's the end of the exercise today. I hope you've enjoyed and I will see you really soon for another video.